Dear student, this is the guide to join the online class. Although we have shown it on a laptop, you can join from any device. The first step is to make sure that you have got the link. It will be emailed to you. Please make sure that you read all the instructions that are there in the link. Keep the instructions in mind. As you scroll down, you will reach the part where the link of the class is there. This is the link. The topic is the name of the class that you are joining. This blue link is a clickable link. If you just single click on it, you will be able to join the class. Other than that, you can also utilize the meeting ID and the passcode to join the class. Both the methods will be shown now. With the first method, you have to simply click on the blue link. It will launch a page such as this. From here, you can either click on the blue button called Launch Meeting, or on that top box, you can click on Open Zoom Meeting. You have to wait for it to open. A new box will open up. From here, another box opens up. It says, the meeting host will let you in soon. This is called the waiting room. Here you have to wait until the class begins. When the host, that is the teacher, lets you in, it will take a few moments for the class to connect, and soon the class will open up on your screen. Until then, let's see the second way of joining the class. You should have an application called Zoom on your laptop or on your device. You have to click on the application and this box will open up. From here, you join the meeting. They will ask you for a meeting ID and where you have to enter your name. Please make sure to enter your registered name with Sri Yoga Institute. You go back to your email. You find the link that Sri Yoga has sent you. Utilize the meeting ID in the email and type it out over here. Make sure to type the correct ID and press join. Then they will ask for the password, which is also mentioned on the left side in the email. You have to enter the right password and then join meeting. Once again, you will enter the waiting room of the class. So this was the second way of joining the class by using the password. Meanwhile, you can set up your yoga mat. The most important thing is that the yoga mat should be parallel to the screen. It should be away from the screen so that the teacher can see your entire body on the screen. You can keep your yoga props ready with you on the mat. Next important step is to join with the computer audio. That means you will be able to hear the teacher. So click on join with computer audio. Then you can enlarge the screen. The next two important steps are this. Find the mute button and make sure you mute yourself. So when the microphone is crossed, that means you are muted. When it is open, it's uncrossed, that means your voice can be heard by the teacher. So make sure it is crossed. Second, you have to switch your video on. So keep the video button on. This way, the teacher will be able to see you when you do your yoga practice. This logo will appear on the screen. After some time, when the teacher switches her video on, you will be able to see her. For that, go to the view button on the top and make sure you are on speaker view so that you can see the teacher's video when she comes onto the screen. If you have to say anything to the teacher, if you can always type it in the chat box, press chat. A white column will appear on the side. Here at the bottom, you can type your message to the teacher. If you want to pass a personal message to the teacher about your condition, please come in 10 minutes before the class to type the message. Then close the chat and get back into the class. To make sure if the teacher can see you properly, you can check the box at the top to see your own video. Or second option is that you can go to the right corner, press view, go to gallery view where you see all the participants, look at your own video, see that the mat is visible, that the lights are on, and that your entire body will be visible when you stand tall on the mat. After you view yourself, you can exit the gallery view and you can go back to the speaker view from the same buttons at the right corner. You have to stay at the speaker view during the class. You're all set now. You can go back onto your mat for the class. Make sure to keep the video on. If at all during the class, if you have any trouble, you can go closer to the screen, press on reactions and raise your hand. The teacher will come to the screen and help you out. Please make sure to keep your video on. After the class, you can leave the class by pressing the leave button, the red leave button. Although most of the times the teacher will end the meeting herself. Just make sure that you keep the Zoom meeting safely with you. You will need it for the next class as well. If you need any guidance, come back to this video. Team Shri Yog welcomes you to 2022 online yoga practice. We look forward to sharing the joy and wellness of practicing yoga together.